everyone, this is Ieasha of Decor Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. So y'all see I have my red heart earrings on, so you already know what today's video is going to be about, right? Today is going to be the video that I'm going to be bringing to you in memory of my mom, Mrs. Mary, who passed away in 2013. So this month it's February. Today is the last day of February. And remember, February is Heart Health Month. So I have been doing this for a really long time. So I was just trying to figure out, I was like, what is it? Something different that I can do, because I've done tablescapes, I've done balloon backdrops, I've done backdrops like the one you see behind me. So today I'm going to be doing something totally different. So I'm going to be going into my craft room or my office, and I'm going to be showing you something on the computer that I'm going to be making in memory of my mom. So I hope that you all like this video. Don't forget to share this video. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor Designs by Ieasha family. Over here, we do tablescapes, we do decorations, we do backdrops, we do a lot of things here. So let's go ahead, let's go into my office, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be making in memory of my mom. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm in my office, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this around because I went into Canva and I made something for my mom. And what I'm going to be doing, I am going to be placing it on this bag. So y'all, I am a purse lover. I love purses, been loving them since I was a little girl. So this year I am going to be making a purse with my mom's picture on it. So I'm going to just turn the camera around so that you can see the design I made. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and print it off on my Epson ET8550 sublimation printer that I converted over, and I'm going to take you along with me as I press it using my heat press. All right, y'all, so this is the design that I created with my mom's picture on it, y'all, and I am ready to go ahead, print it out, and put it on my bag. All right, y'all, so I am completely finished, and let me show you what I have done. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Are you ready? Look at it, y'all. It says, in loving memory, Mrs. Mary, gone but never forgotten. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Again, this is the Heart Health Awareness Month video that I do every year in the memory of my mom. I've been doing this now since 2000, I think it was 2019 when I started. So about 7 years, and y'all, I will be doing it again next year. If you would like to join me, make sure you go to the very first video and see what you need to do in order to upload your video. I would love to see your video. And if you're not able to join this year, then guess what? We'll be back again next year, because I'm going to be doing this every year in memory of my mom. So you all have a great day. I hope that you all enjoy this video, and remember, always take care of your heart. Peace.